But anyways, fam, now for our featured story of the day. Bitcoin can soon reach $1 million per coin soon if inflation increases. That's right, according to this headline right here. And in fact, the analyst Fred Krueger, I'm going to share with you his post. Bitcoin is like a giant call option on inflation. If the system can hold together for another 4 years with little to no inflation, we'll probably hold at power law trend line, plus or minus one standard deviation. So he's ultimately projecting Bitcoin hits between $150,000 to $300,000 or so. But if we cut rates, print, and then get another big bout of inflation, which in my opinion is the more likely scenario, let me know your thoughts. Bitcoin is then going to the moon with 1 million inside of the next presidential cycle. I'm going to reread that. If we cut rates, print, and then get another big bout of inflation, Bitcoin is going to the moon. 1 million inside of the next presidential cycle. Either way, the odds on the bet are amazing. I couldn't agree more. So his bear sentiment is 150 to 300,000. That's if they have inflation under control, which we know is nothing more than FUD. There's no way you can control inflation when you're printing insane amounts of money with that money printer, right? And when you have a $35 trillion deficit. So we know they're going to continue to print, and we know the system is not going to hold it together for another 4 years. Would you agree with that? Yay or nay? Let me know, and I'm going to read you the actual article here. And let me make sure you guys can read this. I know you're cut off in the very beginning, but you should be able to see the majority of the words. Amid the ongoing Bitcoin price volatility, a popular figure in the crypto community, Freddy Krueger, remember Nightmare on Elm Street? Different Freddy Krueger, has made a bold prediction for the biddy, saying that the value of Bitcoin could reach $1 million sooner than we expect. The statement has sparked discussion amongst the crypto community, and notably, this is not the first time we've gotten $1 million prediction. In fact, virtually every show I share with you almost $1 million prediction, do I not? The price of Bitcoin has fallen just below 60,000, but we're on the cusp of reclaiming it, less than $500 away right now. So yeah, Fred Krueger explained the conditions that can trigger an upsurge, shooting the price of Bitcoin to heights never seen before, according to the post that I just read to you. He compared Bitcoin to a giant call option on inflation, suggesting Bitcoin has an inflation cap, and he opined that the Bitcoin price can hover within that range of 150 to 300,000 for another 4 years if the economy holds stable with little or no inflation. Now, what is stock to flow share? Plan B's infamous model. It shows Bitcoin hovering above 500,000 on average per coin over the next 4 years. So keep that in mind. Conversely, he stressed that if the Fed cuts the interest rates, which is likely to happen in September as per the previous reports, and print more, the economy will witness another explosion of inflation, and the price of Bitcoin will go on its way to the moon within the next presidential cycle. Let me know if you agree. Now, interestingly, this prediction adds to the heap of other bold predictions forecasting Bitcoin to reach 1 million in the coming years, and a report by Coinfomania. The global investment firm Bernstein predicted Bitcoin's value will reach 200,000 per coin in 2025 and rise to 500,000 per coin by 2029 and reach an impressive 1 million by 2033. However, this forecast suggests Bitcoin will reach this level later than Krueger's expectation. And earlier this year, we had market analyst BitPain also gave his analysis on how Bitcoin can achieve the 1 million price feat over the next 5 years. His analysis draws base from Bitcoin mining operations, stating that about 750,000 BTC would be mined within this period. Citing historical movements, he noted about 20 to 30% of the existing Bitcoin supply will be available for sale in the bull market. Quoting him here, I tend to think it'll be lower than the prior cycles, maybe 10 to 15% for many reasons. The long bear we have just exited, the rise of the maxi hodler, and the death of crypto as an asset class, and the emergence of Bitcoin as a treasury class asset. That's right. As Bitcoin game theory continues, the United States may be adopting Bitcoin as a strategic treasury reserve asset, at least according to Trump and RFK Jr. if they're elected. Now, considering this, he opined about 2 to 6 million biddies will enter the market, increasing circulation to 2.7 to 6.75 million. The anticipated surge in price will be catalyzed by an influx of institutional funds into the Bitcoin market, guessing that about 1 to 5 trillion will be pumped into the market between this year and 2029. So there you have it, yo. Let me know your thoughts surrounding the bullish prediction from Fred Krueger. Do you think we will likely continue to print like a mofo? The system will explode and send Bitcoin to the moon at $1 million or more for this specific presidential cycle? Holla at your boy and let me know, and I'll read your comments out loud. Family, everyone, welcome to the Q&A segment of the live show.